What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. So you guys, I just came into Target's dollar spot hoping to find some cute and new things, and I stumbled across these cute little gnomes holding flowers. They're so cute. Look at this one. These are just $3. I love the flowers. We have this one, and then we also have this little one. And he's actually holding a flower behind his back. These are so cute. I don't remember planting this. That's so funny. And then we have Never Enough Time. I really like the little grow one. Free Weeds. And then we have some really cute $3. This is sort of a plastic frame. A plastic middle piece with a wooden frame. These little wall decors, and I just love the colors here. This one is really pretty. Yeah, I really like that. This is more of a natural wood frame, and then this one has the white frame, and I'm really feeling the white frame. I think I like the white frame a lot more. But we also have some other things over here that are really nice. We have some ceramic planters in the pink and in the green. And then we have the little atomizers, I think they call them. The little glass containers here where we can just mist our plants ever so gently. Those are cute. That's also in the pink and green with the sort of brass steampunk-ish top. To me that looks very steampunk with the notches down here and the nozzle. That might not be the look they're going for, but that's what it reminds me of. And then we have this pretty pot here. It says Grow, and it has a drainage hole on the bottom. And again, Never Enough Time, and that is so true. Up here we have Twinkling Starry lights. This is sort of a copper, very thin copper wire with a very tiny LED light. You get 10 LED lights, and we get 6 feet. Those are $3. Some planting tools are missing here. They possibly might be these down below. I think these are $3, and this is gorgeous. Look at that. Super pretty and super fancy. We have the floral. We have this one for $3 also, in sort of a pretty sage. And then in a very muted sort of grayish green, we have this, and this is a really solid, sturdy, nice garden tool. These are all just $3. I think this is so cute, you guys. We have a $3 kneeling pad, and this is the size of it here. Really nice. We have this one. Who said there's nothing free in life? Have you seen the weeds in my garden? And that's just single-sided. And this one, another one. And then we have this pretty one in stripes. It kind of matches the flower of the cute little gnome. It's sort of a, kind of a gray, and again that sort of muted green, greenish blue, kind of a grayish, greenish blue color. Really pretty. Another one of these, the one that I'm kneeling on. And we have this one, and this one is gorgeous too. I really like these. Again, these are just $3. These are $5. It's just a really pretty shiny metal, and I think a cute decal would really dress this up. But looking in the back, guess what, you guys? We have more floral that matches the kneeling pad. We have floral that also matches the garden tool. However, the garden tool's background is a white, and this background, as you guys can see, is a gray, but it is really pretty. I'm not sure how much it holds. It's it doesn't say, you guys, it doesn't say how much it holds, but I would say it's a standard size. And then we also have some wood planters. And these look pretty cute. Let's take these down with one hand, of course. Okay. One that simply says herbs, and I really like the feet on the bottom of this box. I don't know if the plastic is intended to stay in, but these are lined in plastic. This one is super pretty. It says grow. And the logo is just on the front, not on the back. And we have one more that says herbs, and one last one that says live life in full bloom. We have some really cute seed tin organizers. This grow matches the hanging planter over here. It's really pretty. What do we get? I think we get some cards and some planning cards. This is what it looks like on the inside. We have categories of herbs, fruits and vegetables, and others. If I pop the plastic, I'd be able to see, but I'm not going to do that. I really, really like this tin over here. To those of you that love floral, you're definitely going to love this. This, again, pretty much matches the other floral items. It matches the tool a little more because it has the white background. Last on this end cap, we have these little $3 grow kits. We have oregano, and again, this is the sort of very muted grayish green color. We have cilantro, and we have basil. I figured we'd just walk around a little bit more and see if there's anything else new. I think these are new. Choose Happy. These are $3. It says decorative bowl, candy bowl, but let's look. Yeah, these are $3. So we have Choose Happy, the floral, and hello. Ooh, new napkins. A pineapple a day keeps the worries away. Girls just want to have sun, and we have a really cute scalloped edge. Oh, what are these? Today was a good day. So cute. And then we have the little flamingos with the gold foil specks. And then, oh, these ones are so pretty. We have tropical vibes. I love those. We also have some cute little coasters for just $1. Really nice. Pink is my happy place. Love that. Ooh, Aloha. So gorgeous. Today was a good day. And hashtag Girls Weekend. Again, those are all just $1. Let's see what else we have. Some really nice jars. These are $3. We have a little chalkboard label here. And we get a 3-pack of these. Those jars are pretty nice. And then all the cleaning things. The little 2-pack of scrub brushes for $3. The little 2-pack of sponges for just $1. We also have the cleaning gloves for $3. And this is my first time, I think, seeing the little apron. It's like a little half apron for $3. Let's see if we have anything else new. Ooh, I think this pillow is new. That is really bright and pretty. I think it's probably $5. Let's see. Yeah, $5 for that floral pillow. I really love that. Let's just look around and see what we have. I haven't looked at the note cards in a long time. Hey you. And then we have hello. Get stuff done. What do we have? Cute little list pads. I don't want to knock everything down, you guys. I like this. Hustle. Today's top 3, to do, save it for later, and notes. Yes, you can. Oh, this is cute. I love the colors. Weekly list. These are all just $1. OMG. Really, really cute. And I've been resisting, you guys, but I really love this little pen here. Isn't he cute? So cute. Let's pretend this never happened. This is just $1. You get the little zipper pouch, and I think they're erasers inside. So I opened one up, and you get 3 erasers that look like this for $1. And then over here we have some cute $3 little list pads. It's a little stationery set with the pen. Do you guys remember the little spring cleaning ones? Those were just $1. But because these come with the pen, I guess they're charging $3. What's stopping you? Looks like the little gnomes are back, or at least some of them. They're so cute. I think the gnomes are definitely a big seller this spring. This is more of a kids end cap for growing things. Little mini watering cans for $3. Let's see if we have anything else new. Oh, these are cute. An 8-pack of scented markers for $3. They also have alien markers. I don't think those are scented though. Oh, and what are these? Okay, I gotta take a few things down. These look so cute. They're fairy markers, and they all have little crowns. Super cute. If you guys are into super cute stationery and pens and art supplies, definitely check out my stationery playlist. Also, you can check out my art supply playlist. I have so many adorable things from Uli. I really, really love their products. Oh, these are still here too. Look at this, you guys. You get a lot of eraser for just $1, and these are scented. Oh, this is my first time seeing the unicorn, and she's just $1. It's a hinged eraser. So cute. We have the little chick. We have the little sticky notes. These are all $1 items. I think the unicorn is so cute. And if you guys love unicorns, I found more. These are some little Slingshot Unicorns. We have them in pink and white. We have them in purple. They're real gummy and stretchy. We have them in yellow. Those are too cute. Lots and lots of cute unicorn items. All the cute stickers. Oh, look at these. Unicorn kitty. Cactus. We even have some cute little coin purses. I really wish they would have made the coin purse not just in the pineapple and in the rainbows, but I really wish they would have made a cute little cactus coin purse. If they would have made one of those, I definitely would have had to pick one up because that would have been too cute. But these are really adorable. They have so many cute little $1 items. I think these are all $1 items. These are highlighters. We have the click pens, the pencil packs, the cute little pencil with the double erasers. I love that. We have some gel pens, and I think they're scented, and cute little stamps. Look at that, you guys. Nice $1 deals, and definitely cute Easter basket fillers. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me. I wanted to share a little Target walkthrough with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I haven't been finding too many new items, but I was happy to find the new garden items here because I think they're so cute. I love the floral print, and I really love the little gnomes. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me. That wraps up my Target's Dollar Spot Shop with me. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please show me that you did by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.